What's up, guys? I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to clean the throttle body. Check engine light is throwing P1101, I believe. I already tried cleaning the mass airflow sensor. Code was still there. We're gonna try this other solution that may be the issue. Cleaning up the throttle body. You want to remove your negative charge. Make sure your vehicle is de-energized. The only tool you'll need is this flathead screwdriver. What you want to do is remove this piece. I already did it. Insert it, pry it up, and it should pop right off. Goes around it like this. Lift this up. Really not that dirty. Still, it kind of is. But we're still gonna try this. It fixes our issue. Okay. Throttle body and air intake cleaner. Your little towel just to wipe it down. Shake it a little bit. Don't flood it. Grab your little towel. Clean the rim of it. I mean, it's kind of dirty. You gotta clean that little disc. Clean the outer rim of it. I'm gonna get into the little rim. See a little dent, and it does evaporate quickly. Leave it unplugged and let it evaporate for a good 20 minutes to 30 before you even get in your car. Reconnect the battery and turn it on. As of right now, it's starting to reprogram itself. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it back off, turn it on again. The RPMs are already leveled out. It's back to normal. The check engine line is gone. Everything looks fine to me. If you guys did enjoy this, have any questions, please comment down below, drop a like, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks. You guys have a good one.